Hi, this is Rafael Prati. I'm the Marketing and Communications Director for Biesse Group, and we're here at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta for IWF 2018. The Green team is working hard to welcome you at the largest stand at this IWF edition. Our massive presence is a clear commitment toward our customers who will benefit from this by experiencing state-of-the-art technology, the latest automation solutions, and advanced services for the woodworking industry. Come to Atlanta and live the experience at the Biesse booth.